Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today my son and I are bringing you along as we make some mint chocolate chip ice cream, homemade mint chocolate chip ice cream. I bought an ice cream maker, electric ice cream maker, and we've been making just ice cream like crazy. I know you can go buy ice cream for cheap, at the store, but it is a lot of fun making it too. So let's get started. In my small saucepan I have 1 cup of sugar, and I'm adding 1 cup of whole milk. Now over low heat, we're just going to stir this only until the sugar melts. We don't want it to boil or anything, and it won't take it long to melt. So just stir it until the sugar's all melted, and then I will bring you back. You will be able to tell that your sugar's melted. First, you won't see it in what you're stirring it with. And it does sound grainy or scratchy when you're stirring it. You won't hear that anymore. See, there's still sugar in mine. Okay, all of my sugar has melted. I don't hear it scratching on the bottom of this pan. And there's none in my spoon. So I'm going to remove this from the heat and let it just set for a few minutes till we get everything else ready. And then we'll bring you back. Alright, I have my ice cream machine sitting in my sink, and a bag of ice sitting on the other side. Here's our little mixing pan. So I'm going to pour the milk and sugar mixture down in here. And then I'm going to add 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. Alright, I got my son tilting it a little bit so you can see down in there. Now we're going to add, you can add 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of peppermint extract. There's 1. You're going to add 1 or 2?
Just do about a half.
I'm going to give that a little bit of a stir. And now you can add green food coloring if you want to. You don't have to. We are. So I'll start it off by adding just a couple of drops. Stir it up and see if we want to add any more or not. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're just ready to put this together and get it started. Now you can add chocolate chips to this, but I don't want to just bite into a big old hunk of chocolate chip. So we got this candy bar, 4 ounces, and I'm just going to chop it up with a knife. And once this starts to set up in the machine, we'll open it and add the chopped chocolate to it. So this could take 30 minutes to get for the ice cream's done. It could take 45 minutes. It just depends. Now mine, we can see down in there and see, how much it's churned and stuff and when it's ready. Do you remember how long it took the vanilla ice cream to? 30 minutes. So after about 20 minutes, we'll stop it and add the chocolate, but we'll show you where it's at. So I'm going to put this down in there. I'm going to put the lid on. Alright, now what you need to do, this doesn't fill all the way to the top, but we need to fill pretty much a little bit all the way up with ice and ice cream salt.
The ice up to about to where the ice cream mixture is, just a little bit slightly above.
And here this is, it's rock salt, or you'll find it as ice cream salt. Now the other day we had a hard time finding this. Walmart didn't have any, Target didn't have any, Publix didn't have any. That was out of stock, so we found some at Kroger. So, but today Walmart had some. So, I'll put links on Amazon for everything that we've used. So what you want to do is put a layer of ice, a good layer of rock salt, and then another layer of ice, and another good layer of rock salt, and continue to do it that way. Alright, we've got the bottom coated with ice, so now we're going to put a lot of rock salt. Really coat that ice with that rock salt. And then continue with the ice. So we will bring you back once we get the machine ready to turn on. Alright, so we just plug ours in and there it goes. You may have to continue to add more ice and more rock salt. But I will bring you back when we add the chocolate. I'm just going to hold this so you can see down in here. It's not quite ready, but we're going to go ahead and add the chopped chocolate to it. Alright, here's my chopped chocolate. Alright, then we're going to hook it back up. And we'll bring you back when it's ready.
And you can tell when it's ready when the scoop starts turning a little bit, because the scoop itself is not supposed to start turning.
Make sure you wipe off any salt that may be on the lid so you don't get it in your ice cream. We got a cat fight going on, so. And there it is.
That's about the consistency you want it. And if you want it to get a little bit more harder, you can eat it like this, soft serve, or you can leave it inside of the churn and let it harden up a little bit. And just store the leftovers in a Tupperware container or a container, whatever you want to use. But if you like this, please like and subscribe. Please also check out my channel at Addicts2993. I have some cooking videos and I have a lot of gaming stuff. But let us know down in the comments what you would like, flavor you would like for us to make. And if we like it, we'll make it.
So now we're going to scoop up a bowl, take some pretty pictures, and then we'll be back to try it. I promise we will not try it before we try it on camera. Alright, now it's time to try it. And Ricky just got home, so he's going to try it. Right now it's like soft serve. We will be putting it in the freezer for a couple of hours.
That is delicious.
Here, I'll get you a bite off my spoon.
Okay. Minty.
It's good, ain't it?
Yeah, it's good.
So anyway, if you've liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment. We'd love to hear from you. And I still don't have a computer yet because I'm just taking my sweet time getting one. So my son's going to upload this on his computer for me. So anyway, I'll have a link to his channel in the description box below, along with the ingredients of this one. I also have some no churn ice creams that you can make, and we'll be back with some more flavors. And if there's a flavor you'd like to see us make, just let us know down in the comment section. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.